Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I have a fun roundup of free pillow patterns. We actually asked at the beginning of the year for some suggestions for videos, and actually several people wanted to see free projects and smaller projects. So I thought that this would be a great way because I actually have a lot of free pillow pattern resources on my blog. So I gathered them all up from all different corners of my house, and we're going to go ahead and look at all of them, and then we will link all of the patterns or tutorials. Some of them have free PDF patterns, some of them just have tutorials on my blog, but they're all free, and we will link them all in the description below. There is actually one pillow here that the tutorial is coming on Monday if you're watching this video the day it comes out. So you'll have to stay tuned for that one tutorial, but everything else is available now. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the first pillow. I actually have two versions of this first one. These are actually the same exact pillow. This is my mini charm pillow and table mat, and it really does make a cute little, you would not have to make this one into a pillow. It really does make just a cute little table mat. This one I pieced with our Raspberry Summer fabric collection, and this is our Dresden cheater print, and I just fussy cut it for the center of this one. Super fast and easy to do that. I've also made this in our Strawberry Lemonade collection and fussy cut from that one a grandmother's flower garden block. But this one is made with Delightfully Yours, and I actually did piece a grandmother's flower garden block and appliqued it onto the background square. But this is free. I do have a printed copy available that you can buy in the shop, but if you want to just download it yourself, the PDF for this one is free. Okay, next, and this is the one I talked about in the beginning. This is actually made with half hexagons using my A Quilting Life hexagon ruler, and we filmed a little tutorial. I showed you how you sew the rows together. You don't have to do any Y seams or any fabric marking or anything different. It's all just traditional piecing for this one. And this is actually a 12 by 18 inch pillow. And I didn't show you the back of the first two, but they're finished in the same way. We do have a video on adding a zipper with a flap to a pillow back. So we will also link that video in the description below. This next one this is also with our Raspberry Summer fabric collection. I'm trying to look and see. Yep, I think it's all Raspberry Summer. But these were all half square triangles that were left over from other projects. And I sewed them together and made a pillow for my booth at Market one year. And I went ahead and put this on the blog, and it is also a free pillow tutorial. So again, you can see I don't really vary very much in my finishing on the back. You will notice that I often quilt the backs of my pillows. I just feel like it gives that extra layer there. But yeah, this one's the half square triangle pillow, and it is also free. Next is an orange peel pillow, and we filmed a video for how to make these orange peel blocks. And these fabrics are from our Strawberry Lemonade collection. Some of you will remember that group. I used low volume prints for the backgrounds, and I really just had a lot of fun. This was one of the first times I played around with orange peels. And again, another free pattern on the website. Similar pillow back finishing. Okay, this pillow is with our Bountiful Blooms collection, and this is a flying geese pillow, and this is a great pattern to use. If you have extra flying geese units, you can just kind of mix and match. I like having them go different directions, and again, this is another free pillow pattern tutorial on the blog. went with the large gray gingham on the back and really, really love that. Okay, this is an 18-inch log cabin block. We have the free pattern for that on the blog, and also made it into a pillow. So you can download the free block pattern, and this is once again pieced with our strawberry lemonade fabrics. And this is that cheater print that I was talking about that I did fussy cut for one of the centers on that first pillow I showed you with the 2 different options. This was such a fun print. Okay, we've got 2 more. Neither one of them are in our fabrics, but they are still free patterns that are available on the blog. This one, I know there is a free PDF you can download. This was my project for the 2023 Stitch Pink initiative that Moda Fabrics did, and I used a collection by Camille Ross Kelly, and I just had a lot of fun putting this together, putting the little heart block there. I think you could actually put the heart block anywhere you want, and it was just really a lot of fun. I believe I even used a charm pack to make this. So charm pack, cute little heart pillow, and free PDF. I did on the back, I did use our fabrics for the backing, and these are pink daisy print from our Sincerely Yours collection, and I actually bound it in the pink dots from our Sincerely Yours collection. They happened to work with Camille's fabric, and I thought that was really fun that I could use our fabrics on the back and for the binding and hers on the front. Okay, the last one, and this has been available on the website for years. These are some older Valentine's fabrics from Sweetwater, and I get lots of questions about this. You always hear XOXO, and I thought, oh, it'd be so fun to do X Heart XO. So anyway, and this is just another free pattern. Same kind of thing. I didn't quilt the back, but did my typical zipper flap. So we will link all of these pillows in the description below, and you can go and make any or all of them that you like. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these fun and free pillow patterns and tutorials. I actually have more. There were more pillows that I could have shown. So I think we're going to plan a part 2 with the remaining free pillow patterns that I have, and then also maybe add in a few that you have to get a pattern for, but that would give us probably another dozen pillows that I could share with you, with at least half of them also being free. So let us know if you want to see even more pillows. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.